Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a model of a ship is made to a scale of 1 to 300. So scale factor is given, which is 1 by 300. The first part of this question is we need to find the length of the ship. Given length of the model is 2 meters. So scale factor is equals to length of the model divided by length of the ship. So scale factor is 1 by 300, length of the model is 2 meters. So just substitute the values and find the length of the ship. So 1 by 300 equals to 2 by length of the ship. So just cross multiply and find the length of the ship. So if we cross multiply, we'll get the length of the ship equals to 2 times of 300, which is 600. So the length of the ship is 600 meters. Let's move to the second part now. Find the area of the model if area of the ship is given. So scale factor whole square equals to area of the model divided by area of the ship. So scale factor is 1 by 300. Area of the ship is given, which is 1,80,000. So area of the model divided by 1,80,000. So if we take a square of 300, we'll get 90,000. So 1 by 90,000 is equals to area of the model divided by 1,80,000. So just cross multiply like this. Area of the model equals to 1,80,000 divided by 90,000. So which is 2 meters square. So the area of the model is 2 meters square. So let's move to the final part of the question. The volume of the model is given, which is 6.5 meter cube. We need to find the volume of the ship. So scale factor whole cube equals to volume of the model divided by volume of the ship. So volume of the model is given, which is 6.5 meter cube, and the scale factor is 1 by 300. So 1 by 300 whole cube equals to 6.5 meter cube divided by the volume of the ship. So 1 by 300 whole cube becomes 1 cube will be 1, and 300 whole cube will be 2 crores 70 lakhs equals to 6.5 divided by the volume of the ship. So just cross multiply and find the volume. So if we cross multiply, we'll get the volume of the ship equals to 6 times of 2 crores 70 lakhs. So if we multiply 6.5 and 2 crores 70 lakhs, we'll get 17 crores 55 lakhs. So this is the volume of the ship, and the unit is meter cube. So let's write down the final answer of all three parts. The first part is the length of the ship, which is 600 meters, and then area of the model. Area of the model is, we got 2 meter square. And finally, the volume of the ship. The volume of the ship is 17 crores 55,000 meter cube. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.